Hey guys, welcome to my first video. My name is Myesha, owner of Style House Events and Rental, a boutique event design and planning company where bold style meets plan perfection. I created this channel to give you guys not only creative party design inspiration, but also fabulous fashion inspiration for any special occasion. So if you're like me, you're getting ready for Valentine's Day, you have plans with your boyfriend or with your girlfriend, and you need some ideas for a date night look, I did create this quick lookbook. First up, oh stop, you're making me blush. I think this look is super cute if you have like a lunch date or you want to go out after work to a bar or a nice little lounge. I'm obsessed with a high-waisted jean paired with a cute crop top and some pumps. And if you're like me, I'm obsessed with all things blush anyway. Black is beautiful, yes? Second up, too hot to handle. This is a cute, comfortable, not too sexy look if you decide that you want to go out and wear the classic red but don't necessarily want to wear a heel. I paired a mini red dress with a chunky boot and a black leather jacket and some shades. Perfect if you're trying to spice it up and make a statement. The next look I call Woman Crush Wednesday. This look is for all my single ladies who's taking names, numbers, and crushing hearts all 2020. Nothing like a leather skirt, one-piece bodysuits, and fishnet stockings to turn heads for a fun night out, whether you're with bae or your girls. Last but not least, I call this look meant to be for all my taken ladies who want to let them know whose it is and you're not scared to take a risk. I love this sexy mint mini dress paired with a nice high nude heel, perfect for a happy ending to a good night. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which looks were your favorite. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I hope to see you guys again in my next video.